remain versatile.
Welcome to Mr. Frank's assembly. He's written this assembly using his AI avatar, and he has asked me to talk to you about AI, aka artificial intelligence. Mr. Franks has fact-checked me, as you can't always trust AI. AI can help you in all areas of school, but it is important to use it responsibly. Tools like ChatGPT and Google Gemini can assist with your work in school. However, students should be cautious of using AI and use it as a research tool in the same way as you would use a Google search or a textbook. AI has limitations such as bias and inaccuracies. Therefore, we all need to ensure they critically evaluate AI-generated content and do not pass it off as your own work. Students also need to be aware that misuse of AI will lead to disciplinary sanctions, which in year 10 and above could mean you are removed from the course permanently by the exam board. AI, or artificial intelligence, mimics human thinking through computer systems. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Snapchat can generate text, art, and music by analyzing internet data. However, they may produce inaccurate or biased content, so critical evaluation is essential when using these technologies, and you must use it responsibly in your schoolwork. Let's explore the ethical implications of using artificial intelligence for tasks like proofreading. Consider the scenario where artificial intelligence corrects spelling and punctuation in your essay. Is this a fair use of technology, or does it undermine personal learning? Let's review the following scenarios. Hands up if you think the uses of AI are acceptable. Scenario 1. You've written a whole history essay. You are worried about spelling and grammar. You copy-paste your own essay into an AI and ask it to fix the spelling and punctuation. Show of hands. Is this acceptable? Using AI to correct spelling and punctuation in your own essay is generally acceptable. It enhances clarity without altering the original content. However, relying on AI for creative input, like generating story ideas, raises ethical questions about originality and who has actually written the work. It's crucial to maintain a balance between AI assistance and personal creativity. Scenario 2. You're stuck. You have to write a creative story, but you have no ideas. You ask AI, give me 10 ideas for a story set in a space station. You pick one you like and write the whole story yourself. Show of hands. Is this acceptable? Using AI for creative inspiration, like generating story ideas, can be a helpful tool. It provides a starting point, but the creative process remains in your hands. The ethical consideration lies in how much you rely on AI versus your own creativity. Now consider using AI for understanding complex topics like photosynthesis. Scenario 3, you're lost in a science lesson. You just don't understand photosynthesis. That night, you go to an AI and say, explain photosynthesis to me like I'm a 10-year-old. You read the explanation and it finally clicks. Show of hands, is this acceptable? Using AI to explain ideas is fine. It's sometimes better to speak to a teacher, but AI has its uses in this area. Make sure that you check what it is telling you is correct and verify all the data yourself. You are the human and don't just accept what AI is telling you. Scenario 4, you're doing research for a project. You find a perfect paragraph on a website. You copy it into an AI and say, rewrite this for me. You then copy the AI's new paragraph into your homework. Show of hands. Is this acceptable? Using AI to rewrite a paragraph for homework raises ethical concerns. It blurs the line between original work and plagiarism. While AI can assist in understanding, directly copying its output without personal input means that you are not learning and you are only cheating yourself. It's crucial to engage with the work personally to truly grasp the subject matter and understand it fully. Scenario 5. You have that history essay due. You're tired. You just type in, "Write me 500 words on Henry VIII." You copy the whole thing and hand it in. Show of hands, is this acceptable? Submitting AI-generated work as your own is unethical and not allowed. It undermines the value of your work and devalues genuine effort of other students who do not cheat. AI tools should assist learning, not replace it. Understanding the material is crucial for personal growth and skill development. Misrepresenting AI work as your work is dishonest and detrimental to your educational progress. AI misuse occurs when individuals claim AI-generated work as their own. This is considered cheating and undermines the reason for the assignment. It's crucial to understand the ethical implications and maintain honesty in the school. To avoid AI misuse, always know the rules. Reference all AI-generated content properly. Clearly declare which parts of your work are your own. This ensures that the work that is submitted clearly shows where you have used AI and where your ideas have come from. Understanding the rules is crucial. AI tools are prohibited during exams. For coursework and lesson work in all years, permission varies by subject and qualification. Even when allowed, AI-generated content alone won't earn marks. Your grades depend on demonstrating personal understanding and original work. Make sure you check with your teacher to see if AI is allowed. When using AI tools, always reference them clearly. Specify the tool's name, the date of content generation, and your usage method. Save screenshots of your interactions, including questions and answers. This ensures transparency and integrity in your work. When submitting assessments, ensure you sign a declaration confirming all unreferenced work is your own. If artificial intelligence tools are used, include references before signing. This requirement applies to all work. Referencing artificial intelligence usage is crucial to maintain academic integrity. Misusing AI in assessments, lessons, and homework can lead to losing marks or disqualification from the subject. Such actions may trigger an investigation and disciplinary sanctions. Avoid these risks by adhering to guidelines and referencing AI tools properly. Your teachers can tell very easily if you submit work that is not written by yourself. AI writes in a very distinctive way, and it does not write in the same way that you do. We can also use AI checkers to check for AI use, which help teachers in detecting you using AI inappropriately. If you are not sure, do not risk it and ask a teacher. Misusing AI is considered cheating. Familiarize yourself with the rules and guidelines. Always communicate with your teachers if you're unsure. Ensure all AI-generated content is clearly referenced to maintain academic integrity. If you are not sure, please speak to a teacher. Thank you for listening today, and I hope that this has been useful.